The San Lazaro Residences, a 20-story condominium-type housing project in the capital city, offers a host of amenities plus healthcare facilities, is move-in ready for Manila's marginalized and underprivileged. This socialized and affordable housing scheme was unveiled earlier today, led by the President and the city's local government leaders. A strict vetting procedure ensures only the truly qualified makes it into one of the 382 units which I dwell on from this Kenneth Paciente report. Leah has been working for the Manila LGU for 38 years. Despite her long service, she still has not been able to acquire her own home.
Nakatira naman kami sa in-laws ko kasi.
To help ease the lives of people like Leah, the San Lazaro Residences high-rise in Manila was inaugurated today, led by President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. The project is an in-city vertical housing program of the City of Manila covering 4,329.65 square meters. It has 20 floors, 382 residential units, and 169 parking slots. Amenities include indoor and outdoor activity spaces, a function room, swimming pool, and roof deck to ensure quality living for future residents. Part of the building is dedicated to health services with a new Manila Public Health Laboratory located from the first to the fourth floors, while the Lanuza Health Center is situated on the first and second floors.
Lagi po namin sinasabi, hindi sapat na magtatayo ka lang ng bahay o magbibigay ka lang ng unit. Dahil ang buhay ng tao ay hindi pabahay lamang. Kung hindi, kailangan malapit, mayroong serbisyo. Ito, ngayon lang ako nakakita na mayroong health center sa loob. Kaya yung mga nakatira dito, hindi na kailangan lumabas pa ng building nila. Kung meron silang karamdaman, doon sila pupunta. Nakita ko nga yung malaking karatula, nakalagay doon, PhilHealth accredited na. So, basta't maging tenant dito ay magiging maginhawa ang service ng healthcare.
Masaya. Hindi ko ini-expect po. Malaking bagay, sir, kasi nag-aaral yung anak ko sa Manila.
Of the 382 units, 193 are allotted for Manila City Health workers, while 189 are for qualified residents and Manila government employees. Applicants must have a monthly pay of salary grade 18 or below, must not own any property in the country verified by the Land Registration Authority, and must have a family. The President praised the city's leadership for this initiative and highlighted the importance of cooperation between national and local governments, especially in exchanging ideas on how to address the housing gap in the country.
Ginawa nila yung Manila Urban Housing Ordinance na ginawang opisyal ang pabahay para sa mga mahihirap na Manila resident at empleyado ng gobyerno na salary grade 18 at pababa. Pagka nakita ng ibang LGU ito, gagayahin ito, asahan mo. Dahil napakagandang modelo itong ginawa ninyo.
Once the beneficiaries move into the San Lazaro Residences, they will contribute around 2,000 to 3,000 pesos monthly. This will go to a trust fund and return to them should they decide to leave the unit, with necessary repair costs deducted.
Magiging napakahalaga ang ganitong klaseng mga pasilidad para sa ating mga kababayan na may pabahay at maraming mga serbisyo.
With Kenneth Paciente, this is Jay Esteban for a new and better Philippines.